Okay, let's click the back arrow to get back to our regular spreadsheet, and let's right click on a toolbar and deselect the web toolbar, and then let's go to sheet 2 and select ranges A2 to C7 and E2 to F7. Click in A2, hold the shift key, click C7, hold the control key and click E2, and then hold the shift key and click F7. Not G7. Keep that shift key down and click F7. There we are, and we've got 2 blocks selected. Now let's click the chart wizard, and on the standard types tab let's select bar, and then the stacked bar option, and next let's confirm that the range is correct, and we want columns selected in the series in section, and then next, and let's give it a chart title of hardware sales, and then we'll click the next button, and then we'll select it as a new sheet and finish. Now let's click on the tab and drag the chart to the end. There we are. Now point to an empty area of the chart background and right click on it, and we'll select chart options, and let's select the legend tab and click bottom as the placement, and OK. Now select the heading text, hardware sales. Let's try and select the text rather than the whole text box. There we go. And click the font size drop arrow, and let's make that size 20 points. And now right click on the chart area background and select chart type, and let's select columns, and we'll leave it as clustered columns, which is the default, and say OK. Now let's double click on the tallest column for monitors, and on the patterns tab we'll select green as the color and say OK. And on the charts toolbar, let's click the chart type drop arrow and select the 3D column chart. And yes to that message. You read it first. Looks great, but let's go back to the other one and click the undo button. Now double click an empty area on the chart background, and let's select a yellow color for the format plot area, and OK. Now double click the rightmost monitor column, and we'll select the patterns tab and fill effect, and the picture tab, and click on the select picture button, and now browse to your Excel 2K Prof folder and double click on the Lara 2 GIF file, and then click stack under format, and OK, and OK. And that looked cute. Okay, let's save that.